Hey honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you are returning, welcome back. So today's video is all about crafting and home decor, but before I get into that, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about a retailer called Regency Shop. So Regency Shop is a high-end retailer and they have some modern and retro designs, so you gotta check them out. They have some chairs, they have sofas, they have tables, dining sets. So yeah, so you may find some pieces that you really like. There's hassle-free delivery, so that is awesome, and also they pay attention to detail. So I have actually a discount code for you guys, and it is below in the description box, along with the website and other information. I included some of their top selling items, so check that out. Let's get into this tutorial. I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to make your own candle holders. This is a perfect project for the fall, and it'll be really cute to add to your home decor. So I'm going to show you guys the items real quick and we're going to get started. All of these supplies are from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Walmart. So I picked up some gloss protective enamel in black. Also I have this honeycomb bottle. I have 2 wine glasses, both from Dollar Tree, and then the flowers, glue gun, scissors, and 2 candles. Just starting out spray painting the first wine glass, and just a tip, who knows why I was on top of the wine glass like that, because that really messed up the coat of paint. You don't want to be too close because it's going to drip, and then that affects it when it's drying. You're going to have drip marks, so try to stand back some because I definitely had that issue. I was actually inspired to do this crafting project because I was on Pinterest and I saw someone do it, but they did it for springtime. So I was like, it'd be fun to do it for the fall. So yeah, here we are. And I'm just going through and spraying everything. And I only did 1 coat of paint. I used gloss spray paint for this project, but feel free to use matte as well because both turn out really pretty. Now that everything is dry, I'm just gluing on the floral, and I decided that I wanted a purple flower and a white flower on each of the wine glasses, but of course not the same flower. And I wanted to add something else to give it a pop of color, so I decided that I guess the pop of color would be a green, since I have all this greenery with the flowers. So yeah, I feel like it was going to turn out really cute. Finished with the first candle holder, and it turned out super pretty. I just repeated the same steps with this candle holder. I know how tough this is, but we gotta try so hard not to get the glue all over the flowers, and you can see I'm using my gloves because I wasn't even gonna play. I just hate glue burns so much. Now moving on to the bottle. I put the floral also inside of it because on Pinterest I felt like this was too cute. Like when I saw that the floral looked like it was going down the bottle, because you first put some inside of it and then you glue some on the outside going down, and it is such a pop. Like it just really adds a touch to your home decor. Also, since I'm using a honeycomb bottle, I want to cover up the honeycomb sign. So you will see that I am trying my hardest to glue on enough floral to cover it up. What I like most about this project is that it's very affordable and it's quick and easy. I mean, it could go anywhere. The candle holders could be in your bedroom, in the living room space, or in the bonus room. And also this bottle can be decor for your kitchen. So it's so many different ways that you could style this up. All done, and I'm in love. If you do try this, please let me know in the comments below what colors did you use and where did you put it in your home. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.